Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to MAC filter in a Tenda router. First, you'll need to access your router's web interface. Open a web browser and type in the default IP address, usually found on a sticker on your router. Log in using your administrator credentials to proceed with the setup. This initial step is crucial for gaining control over your network settings. Once you've successfully logged into your Tenda router's interface, navigate to the Wireless Settings or Advanced Settings section. Look for an option labeled MAC Filter or Wireless MAC Filtering. This is where you will configure the rules for device access. It's important to locate this specific menu to begin managing your network security effectively. Now, you'll need to decide on your filtering mode. A blacklist blocks only the listed MAC addresses, allowing all others. Conversely, a whitelist only permits listed devices, blocking everything else. Carefully enter each device's MAC address into the designated field. You can usually find a device's MAC address in its network settings. Save your changes to apply the new rules. After saving your MAC filtering configuration, it's essential to test its effectiveness. Try connecting a device that should be blocked to ensure it cannot access your network. Similarly, verify that allowed devices can connect without issues. Remember to periodically review and update your MAC address list, especially when new devices join or leave your network, to maintain optimal security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.